The e-bikes are getting quite popular, and more people are getting them as their mode of local commute. Here we have the brand new Gotrax Alpha 29-inch electric bike for review. This is a pretty neat beginner e-bike that you can get from Walmart at a fraction of what you would have to pay for the higher-end ones. The Gotrax bike looks quite classy and has a 350-watt high-speed brushless gear motor with a 270 watt-hour battery concealed within its aluminum body frame. It's a beginner-friendly e-bike that offers many features at an affordable price point. Come on, and let's find out what there is to grab your interest and to see whether the bike is really worth it or not. The e-bike's brushless 350-watt rear drive motor is combined with a 36-volt rechargeable battery. The power factor isn't that applauding, and there won't be any super thrust to get you through the city streets flying. But yet, the pedal assist is enough to give you a decent riding speed and makes steep climbs on hilly terrains easy. The motor also delivers powerful torque with a unique feature to increase power on your daily commute and mountain riding, which can also help a rider reach around 20 miles per hour with ease. High-strength, mechanical locking, shock-absorbing front fork equipment allows your unimpeded ride through rough roads. The frame is quite sturdy and has a step-over design. The bike has great shock absorption and has an adjustable seat, plus the handlebar is good enough for the city ride. With this e-bike, you can skim through the streets with speeds up to 20 miles per hour, and with a fully charged battery, you get a run time of around 1 hour or 15 miles. The brakes on the bike are dual disc brakes and offer an electronic anti-lock braking system to assure riding safely. Plus, it offers a bright LED headlamp in the front for safe night riding. The 7-speed Shimano professional gear transmission system ensures reliability and durability. The gears help quite well during the 3-level pedal assist modes the bicycle offers. So how does the pedal assist mode work exactly? There's a sensor near the chainring that senses your pedaling action. Also, changing the pedal assist level gives the necessary boost to give a head start. You can boost or decrease the speed within the pedal assist mode from the handlebar control to achieve the maximum speed or lower the speed. The bike is designed to give you an upright position, and the handlebars are adjustable to ease up your ride. The Gotrax bike is a unisex e-bike that has a decent look and gives a snug riding feel to the average size guys and girls. The e-bike is an excellent choice for city rides. The front suspension increases the comfort while you're on the bumpy city trails. There is also a 7-level Shimano gear system that helps the rider to ease pedaling. The gear set is from Shimano and offers a trigger shifter, which is the most widespread design. It has 2 levers over and under the bars, which can be actuated with your thumb or fingers, one to shift up and one to shift down, which ties well to give a boost to your ride. Let's talk about the e-bike battery, which is one of the most important units in an electric bicycle. The battery in the bike is pretty decent and offers enough power to last up to 1.5 hours on pedal assist. It comes with a rechargeable 36-volt, 7 amp-hours battery, and you can see that it's pretty basic. But at this price range, the battery combined with the motor does try hard to give you a pleasant ride. The e-bike battery gives you enough power to go up to about 15 to 20 miles on the pedal assist per full charge. The battery is concealed and you might never feel that you're standing near an e-bike. The additional lock and provided keys come to remove the battery from the bicycle frame. The keys along with the bike are used to unlock the battery from the bicycle frame for recharge purposes. The battery compartment in the frame is pretty neat and offers a clean design without any additional bump to conceal the battery. The removable battery design lets you unplug the battery and charge whenever the battery is too low. There are 4 LEDs indicating the remaining battery charge whenever you press the power button on the battery. When unplugged at the lower part of the battery, there is a switch to turn the battery power on or off internally. There is also a charging port on the battery so that you can charge it after finishing your ride. One thing to mention is every time you need to change the battery, you need to unplug it from the bicycle, as there is no way to charge it directly through the bike frame. As I mentioned, the battery lasts quite long when completely charged, which offers up to 15 miles. Gotrax e-bike battery is fairly easy to remove and charge. The battery takes around 4 hours to get fully charged. And yes, be ready to charge it quite often, as you'll most probably reach the battery limit once your ride's over. There are prior battery protection circuits and are rated with the highest protection standards. Let's get into some of the riding controls. The Gotrax electric bike offers 2 features to ease up your riding, which are the pedal assist and the throttle mode. With the pedal assist, the motor will only engage or help you when you're pedaling. With the throttle mode, if you engage the throttle button with your thumb at the head from the handlebar, the motor will power you with or without you pedaling, so the bike can either be operated by the pedal assist or by the throttle mode, where you don't have to pedal at all. This e-bike offers 3-level pedal assist. You can adjust and set your desired pedal assist level on the control near the handlebar. Once you get on the bike and start pedaling, the pedal assist kicks in. Depending on the level, you can achieve 3 modes of speed: low, medium, or high. The pedal assist gives you a forward thrust that can reach a max speed of about 20 miles per hour. Plus, the cable-actuated dual disc brakes give you plenty of stopping power. Let's talk about riding and comfort. Gotrax has been making quality scooters and e-bikes for a while, and this bike shows all the years of its craftsmanship. The e-bike comes with a sturdy step-over frame and looks quite sporty. The step-over design makes it easy for people of all ages to use this e-bike. It's strong enough to carry the average person that weighs up to about 250 pounds. The bike is lightweight and doesn't give stress like the premium ones that are kind of heavy. The bike suits the average guys or girls in the range of about 5'3" to about 6'2". But the super tall riders might find it a bit of an issue and a bit of a pain in the back, and that's kind of inevitable. The saddle comes with an adjustable post, and the seat is also quite comfy. You can replace the seat with a more comfortable material if you want, as I did. The front suspensions are decent for the price, but yeah, being an entry-level, budget-oriented bike, we can go on terms with that. The thing worth mentioning is that the bike suits the city rides best. It will be better not to take it on some crazy off-road adventure or bumpy trails. Let's talk about the assembly. The bike comes nearly assembled. The major part of the assembly time required was the front wheels, pedals, seat, handlebar. All these other things are taken care of before shipping and assembled well. All you need to take care of are the seats, front wheel, and pedals. The bike is also quite easy to assemble. There's even a well-made assembly video online on YouTube by Peter that shows you how to assemble it step by step. I will link the video in the description if you want to check it out. So let's talk about what's in the box. With the whole delivery, you get the e-bike, the lithium-ion rechargeable battery, a battery charger, a toolkit, a user manual, and other important documents. There is a necessary booklet that shows what goes where and how. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the Gotrax Alpha 29-inch electric bike. What do we like about the Gotrax Alpha 29-inch electric bike? Well, it's affordable for all the features that it offers, plus durable components at this price range. Very easy to ride, and thanks to the step-over frame design. The battery is concealed into the frame. This gives it a nice and classy look, plus it makes it a discreet electric bike. And the bike can be operated by pedal assist or by a throttle where you don't have to pedal at all. This is a huge plus point. What could be better? Perhaps a bigger battery that holds much more power. Also, I wish we could be able to buy a replacement battery as a backup so that we could take in, some of our backpacks and put one back in when our charge gets too low. It would be great if Gotrax plans to sell extra rechargeable batteries. So let's talk about pricing and availability. You can buy this Gotrax e-bike right now from Walmart at around $800. The budget e-bike comes with all the essential accessories and provides a toolkit for assembly upon delivery. So to summarize, this bike I can say would be an excellent choice for a less hardcore mountain biker and perfect for someone who takes dirt paths on occasion but prefers a mountain bike setup for a city ride. For this price, you can get a sturdy, elegant bicycle, and with lots of features that much more expensive electric bikes don't offer at this price. This is a solid mid-level city bike and a great option for someone who wants a 29-inch electric bike. If you've ever wanted to re-experience the simple joy of just riding around on a bike like when you were a kid with no worries about how hard you're working, then the Gotrax e-bike is a great choice. It's also terrific for situations where you'd like to ride to a destination without getting sweaty, or for someone who isn't an athlete but wants to be able to ride a lot farther on a bike a lot more comfortably without getting exhausted. Best of all, it's priced similarly to mid-range regular bikes that don't have any motor at all, so it's a very reasonable purchase. We'd recommend it for casual bicycle riders. As always, thanks so much for checking out our review. Also, if you're interested to learn more about this product, we've provided links in the description below. If you like and found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a like, comment, and a subscribe. See you later.